Kano John Mugarra omuhwezi w'omuduumizi wa Mountain Division niwe yahinguza abatendekirwa aba kandi omurubo bashatu bonka baba bari abakazi. Kano kavuma musoke orwebembera ishomereri nagira ngu ekigendererwa ekyo kutendeka oku kibire kirye cyo kuhereza abanyamahubukugu obwo kurwanira mu nshozi barukwejonesa ebyoma ebyo kurwanisa ebyamani.
I urge you to strive for more training, for more courses. Issue ya mwisho mtakuwa na mafunzo mengi sana. Lakini zaidi ni moral. Ni nini? Zaidi ni moral. Mtafanyikiwa zaidi kama mmesoma, mmefanya mafunzo ya kijeshi. So this is not the last course you are attending in the UPDF.
Kano kavuma nagira ngu aba batendekerwa mu bintu bingi ebirumo mountaineers tactics, communication in mountain, skills at arms, field craft.
We had 3 ladies and 5 officers. Today, sir, you are about to pass out 295 who have successfully completed a 4-month mountain technical course. We have 5 who have failed to make it today due to different reasons.
Agarukire yabashabukwe haramarwa agarengeserize nukwe babase kugumana amani ago kubasa kutembe nshozi.
Hongera, having endured the course pressure and cooperation you exhibited, I'm reliably informed that you have been good students, and I do applaud you for the discipline exhibited during your stay here at the school.
Kano Mugarra asimira abatendekirwe ahabwo kugumiserizana no kwehayo amakuru akagasha kwa